Meet this tiny fox girl, soft, cute, and surprisingly practical. She hugs the pages with her paws in the front, and her fluffy tail peeks out from the bottom so she never slips out of your book. It's one of those small things that truly delights. A sweet little surprise for Christmas, perfect for an advent calendar, a stocking stuffer, or a simple gift paired with a book so kids instantly understand how to use it. It's light, soft, and incredibly easy to make. And in a moment, I'll show you exactly how the stitching comes together. First, I hoop a medium-weight tearaway stabilizer. The machine stitches a simple placement line right on the stabilizer, and this outline shows exactly where our future fox will be. You can see that first fox shape already stitched here in the hoop. Now that I have the placement stitch, I know where to put my felt. I take an orange felt piece I prepared in advance and lay it on top, covering the entire outline. To keep everything from shifting during stitching, I secure the felt with a bit of tape. From here, it's the relaxing part. I start stitching all the details: the eyes, the nose, the tail, and all the white areas on the face and belly. Stitch by stitch, you can watch this little fox come to life right in the hoop. The design stitches out quickly and smoothly, so you can just enjoy the process. When we get close to the very last step, the final outline that will attach the backing, I stop the machine and remove the hoop. I don't unhoop the design, I just take the hoop out of the machine and flip it over. On the back side, I place my lining fabric exactly where the fox will be and tape it down so it stays in place. Then I return the hoop to the machine and stitch that final outer line. This last outline goes all the way around the fox and secures the backing nicely, front and back, just like you see here in the video. When the outline is finished, it's time to cut the bookmark out. I like to use large, sharp scissors and cut in long, smooth curves around the shape. For me, this is faster and easier than setting up a cutting machine and trying to match the size perfectly. A cutting machine is also possible, but I honestly enjoy this little bit of handmade trimming. At the very end, I open the slits for the paws and the tail so the bookmark can hug the page. I carefully cut between the stitched lines, just as you see here, making sure not to cut through the seam. And that's it, your fox bookmark is ready. In these final close-up shots, you can see all the tiny details. The soft felt, the cute little face, and the paws holding the page. It looks adorable in a book and gives such a cozy feeling every time you open your favorite story. This is honestly the cutest little fox I've ever made, and I'm so happy with how she turned out. Here you'll find cross-stitch designs for projects stitched with yarn, tips on how to use font, must-have glitter font, my favorite fringe designs. The very best from our top